And here we are going down the road. I heard a goose. He was honking his horn. Even though we got a good rain, Lobo's got to water every blade of grass on the place. Honk. There's a pretty tree. Lots of pretty trees. Hey, 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 we've got water on the spillway for a change. You waiting for me to carry you across, Lobo? Maybe it's about time for a swimming lesson, eh, buddy? Oh, he's going to get his little paws all wet. No way we can get across without getting wet. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. I bet they're waiting for a treat. Sorry, no treats. We're just here to take your pictures. We're just here to take your picture. Smile pretty. Lobo, come back here. Come here, Lobo. Lobo. Good boy, good boy. Let's see how it gets across this water. Come on, Lobo. Come on. He's very cautious. He doesn't know how deep it is. You washing off your little feet? Goodness. Let's see what the ducks and geese are doing. Honk, honk, honk. Oink, oink, oink. Honk, honk. Honk, honk, honk. Was that you talking or was that me? No, it was both of us, okay. Well, is that right? Are you guys the guard dog to the place? Quack, quack, quack. I'm not making fun of you, I'm just trying to be friendly. Must be fun to swim out there on that pond, especially after a nice rain. Goodness. Honk, honk. Now I can actually take a still picture off of this and make a drawing or a painting out of it. I may just have to do that.